Stock adjustments are done to manually modify the stock level or value of managed items. In this module, learn how to complete a stock adjustment. Head to Materials under the Global Settings tab and expand the material item you want to modify. Click on Adjust. Select a location and reason for the stock adjustment from the drop-down lists. To increase the stock level, enter a positive number into the Change in Units field. To decrease the stock level, enter a negative number. The change we've just made can be found in the item's transaction history. It is also tracked in Xero. See the module Xero Integration Adjustments to learn more. Stock adjustments can only be done on managed items. Stock levels for unmanaged items can be changed by simply editing the material information. However, these edits are not traceable.